Want to learn more about Automic? In the past, you had to research available courses and their schedules, and then pick the best compromise between the schedule and the content. During the course, you had to pay close attention because after a week, it was all over. And if questions came up later, you were on your own. With PEM, it's different. Here you decide when you want to learn new things about Automic. You don't just have a few days or a week to further your education. With PEM, for the same price, you get a full year of Automic training. And in case questions come up later, you can ask them anytime, in a comment or by email, or have them discussed in one of the regular live sessions.
Thank you for adding that margin.
With PEM, Automic training isn't an event, it's a partnership. And it's not about simply replacing live courses with online content. Instead, you get personal support all year round from globally recognized Automic experts.
Welcome to today's live webinar.
PEM includes many services in the areas of Automic training and Automic consulting. Some of these services are available online on demand, while others are live and in person. Through the PEM online platform, you have access to all of them. There's an online course or a tutorial for just about every Automic topic. A special value is placed on presenting the content in a both exciting and entertaining way. For systematic training, PEM offers learning paths for different roles and requirements. And because the best way to learn something new is by doing it, PEM gives you a large number of practice environments available at the click of a mouse. Finally, the membership also includes many useful tools for working with Automic. The selection of tutorials, courses, tools, and lab environments is constantly being expanded and updated. Every week, there's something new to discover. In addition to all the online content, customers especially value the personal support at PEM. Every 2 weeks, there is a live session where you can ask questions as well as discuss Automic topics. You can ask questions about any of the online courses or tutorials directly in a comment field. Every comment gets an answer. Test PEM now, completely free and with no obligation at this link. Unleash your Automic knowledge. To become a PEM member, you can book one of the available packages on the website. For teams that need multiple licenses, there are also enterprise plans. Additionally, Automic experts are available to the PEM community through a support inbox. And if you need even more advice, you can book additional remote consulting and reserve short notice appointments for it right in a calendar.